Hey guys, what's going on? We got some little chickens in the mail today, so we're gonna go ahead and set those up. This is my cousin Nathan. He's gonna be helping me out, and we're gonna make a little brooder for these little chicks and get them all set up, and then hopefully we'll have some time to go fishing later on today. But here, I'm gonna show you how to set this up real quick. All right, so we got this little cow trough, old cow trough, that the bottom, you know, is long gone. But these things still work really well for like a brooder for baby chicks to just get them started. I'm gonna open up the box to make sure, you know, all of them made it in the trip here. And then we're gonna fill the bottom with some wood chips so, you know, they have a nice warm bedding in there. It looks like they all made it. Like I said in another video, McMurray Hatchery, which is where we get all our chicks from, they like to send you one extra chicken. Yeah, we got 19 Delaware broilers, and then they send one random chicken. So this is our random chicken. He's just gonna be there with them, and yeah, it looks like we got they all made it. All little baby chickens. Have to cut that out. This is the one random they give us. Definitely no dead ones in there. This little green thing, if you ever order chickens, is kind of like their food. It's grow gel. You probably see them, they'll peck at that. Peck, peck, peck. Alright, so we're going to get the wood chips set up in there now. Alright, so what I did here is put a stone in here, kind of like a brick, and according to how deep the wood chips are, which they're deeper on this side, get your stone adjusted so that when you put your water in there, you know, it's got something steady to sit on, and the wood chips aren't going to be getting in the water tray here, which will build up, and then, you know, they won't be able to drink out of it. But this should be a good enough height to where they'll be able to get water out of there. And the water looks a little yellow because I put electrolytes in it, which is what you want to do for baby chicks. You want to get some electrolytes and make sure they get that.
So what kind of feed are you giving them?
Crude protein, 22%, so this is even better than a lot of the chick starter. And yeah, it is full-fledged 22 chick starter. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. There you go. See your crude protein is 22%. You want at least an 18%. Alright, so these little chicks are going to be YouTube stars, but
they're getting their 15 minutes of fame.
We're going to dip them, which is a very important step when you get day-old chicks, which these are 1 day old. They just hatched. It might be 2 days. But you basically take your chick, get it in your hand real good, and you might need to put a little bit of pressure behind their head, and then just dip their beak in there, and you'll see them drink the water. So one thing I really like to do when you get your heat lamp for your baby chickens is you'll notice this looks very red. They sell red heat lamps, and I like to use those. Those are, I don't know if they're for baby chickens, but chickens can't see the red light. So all they see right now is the natural light from outside, which is illuminating in here. You can see perfectly fine, but at nighttime this red light will still be on because they need the heat 24/7, but they won't be able to see the red light. So it'll be dark to them. So they'll get their natural day and night cycle, and they'll still have the heat from the heat lamp. Which, when you set up your heat lamp, I always tie it to a string and then loop it through something, because as they get older you need to raise it higher and higher. And I like to get this. I got this for like $5 or $10 on eBay. You can see we're kind of like at 90 down there. It really should be maybe a little bit higher. They're at 91, 92. That's probably pretty good. You want to be in between 90 to 95 for day-old chicks. And then when they start getting their feathers like that on their wing, like after a week usually, you want to start getting below 90. So you'll want to raise that up maybe like 6 inches, 12 inches, depending on the temperature outside. So you can see our temperature's pretty good, and you know, like I just set this up, so I'm going to watch it for like a little while here, make sure it doesn't get too hot. You don't want it above 95 and you don't want it below 90. So see the chicken's body temperature. I think chickens run at about 105 body temperature. So that's why it's reading that. Like people are 98 body temperature, chickens are 105. Alright, so that's how you get day-old chicks started in a brooder made out of a simple cow trough. Tried to show you guys a bunch of the little tricks that I've learned over the years from doing this hundreds of times.
I've been the help behind the scene today, so.
This is my cousin Nathan. He's he's starting up a YouTube channel also.
So, link will be in the description. Make sure you like and subscribe to his, and then come over to mine and check it out.
And stay tuned, there's going to be a lot more videos we're going to be making together and doing all kinds of stuff around the farm and the country out here. Later.